In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfreeze Google Sheet. If parts of your spreadsheet stay stuck in place while you scroll, that means rows or columns are frozen. Freezing is handy for keeping headers visible, but when you want a clean, free-flowing view, you'll need to turn that off. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few quick tips so you know it worked. First, open your sheet. Make sure you're looking at the Google Sheet where rows or columns are currently frozen. If you're working in a shared file, confirm that you have edit access. If you only have view access, the options you need may be grayed out, and you won't be able to change the freeze settings. With your sheet open, go to the top menu bar and click View. This is the menu that controls display-related options for your spreadsheet. From there, hover over or select Freeze. You'll see a small submenu appear with choices for rows and columns. These options are where you can set how many rows or columns stay fixed in place or remove freezing entirely. To unfreeze the header area at the top of your sheet, click No Rows. This tells Google Sheets to release any frozen rows. If you had a dark horizontal line showing the frozen boundary, it will disappear. Now, when you scroll up and down, your rows should move smoothly and the row numbers on the left will flow continuously. Next, to clear any frozen section on the left side of your sheet, click No Columns. This removes all column freezing. If you previously saw a vertical line indicating a frozen column boundary, that line will go away. Try scrolling left and right to confirm everything moves together without anything pinned in place. A quick way to double-check is to scroll in both directions. If the header no longer follows you as you move down the sheet, and the first column no longer stays put when you scroll right, then you've successfully unfrozen both rows and columns. If you still see something locked, revisit the View menu, open Freeze, and confirm both no rows and no columns are selected. If the freeze options are unavailable, make sure you're not in a filter view and that you have editing rights to the file. Once you have access, the options will become clickable. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, head to View, choose Freeze, then select No Rows and No Columns to restore a fully scrollable workspace.